Hi everyone, and welcome to Zany Anime React.
Hello!
Last episode, we ended with Dracula asking for Yosano.
You mean Mori?
Yeah,
Just because he has hair down like that?
yes,
And he's pale as fuck?
it's the way he dresses too. He's like pedo Dracula, okay? He was told in no way at all he was to ask for Yosano, but he was like, hey, you know what? I pick you.
That's where we left off, guys. We're gonna begin the next episode now.
Thou shalt not die.
俺のために治癒異能を使え。対価に探偵者復活の糸口となる情報をやる。
どうやって奴はこの隠れ家を発見し
He used the eye. Eyes of God, yeah.
それだよ探偵者などより軍警と取引すべきだこの取引罠じゃないかね
As fair warning, I've just woken up. If you can hear my sleepy voice, it's because of that.
And it's late for me.
Two ends of the spectrum. Do we get the backstory this episode? Yeah, you'll be a fucking assassin.
For once, you'll be a proper assassin.
歩きながら教えてやる。昔、社長と森先生は三国構想の盟友だった。でも今では敵同士だ。私のせいなんだよ。
It's always woman, bro.
太平洋上に突如出現した島。オーロラの電磁波が電子機器を破壊するため、島は全近代的な白兵戦が繰り広げられていた。
Meanwhile, she's just bringing people to life. And just like that, everyone has their eyes back, arms back. What the? Okay. Wait, what?
Go away, everybody.
私の与謝野君がそんなにお気に召した
森衛生課長殿。私の与謝野君っていつ私があんたのものになったのさ。
Oh my god, she's 11, so she's about the same height as his stand. That makes this so weird. He probably wants her trying different outfits as well.
Yeah, she's still a loli.
See what I mean?
死にかけた直後に小説かい？
小説じゃない。これは詩集だよ。はあ？感謝はしてるさ。だからこれを君に送るよ。
私の蝶、これは金属。
The fuck?
ありがとう、天使さん。
今のどうやったんだ？
大した能力じゃないさ。君のように世界を変えるほどの力はない。
私が世界を？
I don't know. He looks like a Sassy Chungus. His eyes are hiding something.
欧州列強が発明した異能力戦争は戦争の概念を変えつつある。
Fucking hell, it's Germany again.
上層部に証明せねばならない。でしょ？森衛生。
Stop.
あれは軍の機密文書のはずだが
私はただ人の命を助けたくて来ただけで。
行こう与謝野君次の怪我人が待ってエリスちゃん次のカルテを
はい、ご主人様。
So right now, is she his ability or is she a normal girl?
Something happened between those two, but she looks older there.
Yeah, but what if you die before you get to her? Oh. Oh no. Oh, he lost his leg, but he was saved somehow. But his friends died.
体は平気かい？一度に80人も治療したんだ。 一番の重傷は体が半分吹っ飛んだやつさ。異能力で体は治ったけど、心までは戻らなかった。死んでないやつは前線に戻ったよ。人手不足だからね。
I don't know how much of this will actually help in the war. I feel like after the first death, you're just done. Like after the first near-death experience.
そいつは
回数を数えてるのさ。君に命を救われた数を。今日でちょうど5回目だ。生の文字が完成するたび、この世に一つ正しさが増える気がするんだ。君がいてくれてよかった。
I mean, you still could die if you go to the front lines.
ありがとう。私も。
That act looks so World War One-ish.
だけど、みんなの奮闘を笑うように、戦況は徐々に悪くなった。
Imagine if she wasn't there.
兵士が治療される感覚は
They're getting their soldiers wrecked left and right.
1日に1回になり、やがて1日に3回になった。
So fucking massacre.
これが普通の軍なら、とっくに諦めて撤退してたろう。でもそうはならなかった。
Yeah, this is just pain. I mean, she's 11 years old and you're making her heal so many freaking soldiers thrice a day.
右腕頭骨骨折だね。治療だ。
Yeah, and Mori probably doesn't even care what this is doing to Yosano.
直したくない。
彼の怪我を放置すると、この戦場から彼を逃がしてやりたいわけか。
Look at him, he's dead. He's a zombie.
少女のお願いには弱くてね。だがお前は別だ。やれ。
Fuck off!
そして今、異能が戦争を
I hate that he has no qualms about making a child work like that.
私は目の前の命を助けたいだけだ。
What the?
I knew he was going to kill him.
これで瀕死だ。直せ。
誰もこの戦場からは出られない。
And you think she's going to come back and work for you? You're the worst fucking manager I've seen.
私さえいなければ、ただの怪我でここから出られたのに。つまり半分が怪我をすれば軍は撤退し、私がいる限り撤退はない。
They're all dead. They're all dead mentally.
その権利だ。なのに私が負けを奪っちまった。
It was going to happen. I didn't want to like assume that would happen, but yeah.
飾りがない。どこかに落としたんだ。あの人にもらったのに。
君に伝言を頼みたい。
この声。
耐えると誓った。誰の心にも限界はある。
He's gonna kill himself.
Yeah?
戦場に君臨する死の天使だ。僕の家族にさよならを伝え。
Oh my god. Did he just hang himself? "11-year-old child shouldn't watch that, even on a battlefield." Dang! Oh my! Oh, he was sent to the battlefield like 100 times.
話じゃ基地空母を沈めようと爆薬を仕掛けて逮捕。戦後も私は施設に隔離され続けた。
It's Mori again. So this is when he already has built Port Mafia, right? He's in his doctor outfit.
Yeah.
This is when they classed for the first time.
強大な原ポートマフィアのボスを打破するには、ヨサノ君が率いる不死連隊が最適解。
Wait. So he's not the leader of Port Mafia right now. It's still the old dude.
社長が戦っているうちに君を逃がす。そういう作戦。
戻して私の異能力は命を簡単に救う。だから私の周りでは命の値段が安くなる。
Depending on the frequency of usage, I suppose.
バカらしい。どうでもいいよそんなの。嫌なら異能力使うのやめれば。僕 僕の超推理が世界一の異能力。あと
Ah,
はどうでもいい能力。僕がいれば
Ranpo is just the goat. He has his own way of helping her out.
証拠を見せようか。ふん
これは
Oh,
なんでこれのことは誰にも話してないのに。
僕は何でもわかる。試しに何か聞いてごらん。何でも答えるよ。
don't ask anything that'll hurt you again.
これはどうすればいいの。私が生きていい場所なんて本当にあるの。
ある。この世には一箇所だけ君を必要として
Also, I did not realize Ranpo is that much older than Yosano.
君の異能が欲しいんじゃない。欲しいのはその優しさだ。誰にも死んで欲しくなかったんだろう。能力なんかなくたっていい。
Mm.
その優しさに意味があるんだよ。
Oh, Rampo, you're so sweet. I can't.
よさのさん、どうしました？
なんでもない。
You're leaving out the important details?
この世には一箇所だけ君を必要としない場所がある。
I mean, they kind of need you sometimes, but why you gotta hurt them in the first place? That's a whole other question.
Right. You remember from season 1? She is the crazy bitch who attacks their own members with chainsaw just to heal them. What I've learned from this episode is that she does not have to get naked to heal. What was all that being naked in the first 2 seasons?
I guess she said, well, if you're gonna need me, I'm just gonna be crazy. I think in order to deal with her issues, she just became some sadistic bitch. People are like, no, I don't want to go in that room. I don't want to go to Yosano. No, please don't make me go there. I'd rather stay with my broken leg.
Even Kunikida is scared of getting treated by Yosano. I don't think Ranpo was ever scared. Ranpo has seen her from the beginning. Literally everyone else is like, ah, fuck no.
Have we seen Rampo get hurt and actually go on there?
No, not at all.
No.
Ranpo has never been hurt.
So,
He's freaking immortal.
so he's just like, okay, you do you, I do me, I have my snack.
He's always out of the picture when something dangerous is happening. In the background, he's just figuring shit out and somehow ends up beating the opponent without having to step in the battlefield himself. Until now, he has been accused of killing someone. So before we start digressing, I want to talk about the backstory they showed of Yosano. Kind of fucked up. I don't know for whom it was more fucked up, the soldiers or Yosano. Imagine the state of the fucking soldiers who are just being brought back from the dead every time, and every time they're like a new person. They're like, oh, thanks to you, we are saved. Oh fuck no, we have to go to the battlefield again and get bombed.
That's just different kinds of PTSD. They at first feel good because she heals them. Then they turn on her and she understands because she doesn't want to keep sending them to the battlefield either. And she is forced to by Mori.
If the soldiers wanted to kill someone, it probably should be Mori. And the number of days that guy had on that little dog tag he had, like it was hundreds of times that he was being brought back from the death. Granted, one of them being Mori who shot him, but apart from that, there were so many lines on it.
All of them could have just slit their throats and...
There is no point though. Even if they do that, let's say if they slit their throats, they're not dying immediately. There is some time. Mori will force Yosano to save them.
Yeah, but let's say it happens at a time when they're like supposed to be sleeping or something. By the time they find them, if they go for the jugular or something, that's it, they're gone.
Oh, and let's not forget Big Brother Ranpo helping Yosano out during that whole thing. He's like, fuck your ability. Do you think your bringing back to life is the most important ability of the world? Nah.
Excuse me. I'm here. We have a detective agency. I am the detective. Hello.
I think he was only 14 or 15 at that point. 3 years had passed. No, I think Yosano is the same age then. She just looks younger.
They're about the same age.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
No, it does to me because that whole scene, it almost looked like an older brother helping a little sister out, which is sweet.
It's one of those times where you're like, well, thank God Rampo has a big ego and is super and is really cocky.
And he has 2 brain cells because he did comfort her. We're forgetting that Ranpo is also like a child who was pretty much an outcast. Even when he first met Fukuzawa, he went away, called Fukuzawa right from where they were sitting, and he's like, I'm just a 14-year-old with no money and no place to go, which is really sad. So he knows what Yosano is going through.
Then he's older.
Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I factored in that 3 years have passed since all of that happened, and I did not add those 3 years to Ranpo's age. Anyway, love that episode.
Never mind a good flashback.
Unless it's Obito's flashback. Anyway, guys, if you like that episode, do like, do comment, do share, and do subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.